It's time to prepare to come to campus. So we have prepared a video that explains the new ways that you'll be able to move about the space once you arrive on campus. So before you enter the building, you need two things. You need your mask, and you should be wearing your mask. And you'll also need your student ID to get into the building. So you'll come over this way. There. And you'll have access. So before you enter every classroom, you'll notice a sign that tells the max amount of people that can be in each classroom. So this way we make sure that we are adhering to social distancing. So in each classroom, if you notice, there are green checks. These checks are indicating where you can sit as a student. You'll also notice that in every classroom, there is a protective barrier that separates the professor and the students. You'll notice two things. One that allows you to get hand sanitizer, and the other, you can use the paper towels. These paper towels can be used to dry your hands, of course, with the hand sanitizer, but we'd like you to also use the paper towels as you are entering and exiting out of doors. You'll notice outside of the elevators, there's two signs. One that says you must wear your mask, and the other that says there's 4 persons max per ride. Also, when you're on the elevator, you will notice 4 spots that designate where you should stand if you are on the elevator with other people. So notice when you are on the first floor main entrance, you can walk up the marble steps. And these steps are not designated for you to go only up or down, but they do show where you go up one way and down on the other side. All right, friends, so I know in some of our common areas we are used to hanging out, and you still can, but you'll just have to make sure that you're socially distanced. So for chairs like over here, that's a 1-person chair. You can sit there as normal. But for sofas, where you usually would be able to engage with more people, you can actually only have 1 person sitting on this sofa at one time. That way, we make sure that everybody is safe and distant. So we all love PITS and all of the amazing resources and very helpful staff members. PITS is still available to us, just not in the same ways. So you want to go to pits.emory.edu to find out how you can access some of those resources. Okay, friends, so it's important to note that by most of the doors in Candler, there is also a dispenser for hand sanitizer. Make sure that you use it as often as you can. So we are here next to a very important room in your Candler experience, room 252. So we just wanted to show you another example of how the classrooms will be spaced to make sure that we are all 6 feet apart. So as you enter the room, you'll notice that 1 person will sit here and the other will sit here. Just remember that if there is not a green check by the chair, you cannot sit in that seat. Okay, friends, so if you notice with our water stations, the traditional water fountain is not available to us during this time, but all of our hydration stations are still available. So remember to bring your water bottle and use the station. So friends, welcome to the Student Break Center. Notice that there are signs that indicate what you can do when you are in this area. So you come over this way. When using the microwave, make sure to use a paper towel to access the door. Also, you want to make sure that you are staying 6 feet apart from any other student. And as always, remember to wear your mask and wash your hands. Okay, friends, so you'll notice that the stairways indicate which way you can travel on them. So this one is the east stairway, and it is only for traveling down. Also, to reference the east side, that is or the side that's closest to the loading docks. And here we are on the west side of the building. That indicates that for this stairway, you're going up. Okay, friends, so you'll notice that as you enter the bathrooms, they also have signs. So there's one that indicates that after you enter, you should wash your hands. But another very important sign is that you should use a paper towel or a tissue when you are opening the door. Also, inside the bathroom, you'll notice other signs that indicate how long you should wash your hands before exiting the bathroom. Also, friends, as you enter each of the offices, you'll notice signs outside of the door. They indicate that it's important to keep physical distance, as well as to remember to wash your hands, wear your mask. All right, friends, so you have your official tour of the building with all of the new signs that indicates how we will social distance here at Candler. So remember, keep your physical distance, wash your hands, and wear your mask.